Irish. Now, many of the people who don't know Irish can guess what I just said. I hear plug Irish. So you're learning Irish already. So that has the dawn Adam of a general Curim Hall Shaw Nacht. It's the Intach and Jerry Shafton Yashaw, Agus and the Coachary Galanta, Tanshavi, Orange, a rare Nodiect, a rare O Farigo Kira, a Kershis, Stargate Agus. I bunch of them in our Bayani, reaching the Brianti, Dolem a Coach War, action. So anyhow, this is a part of the Irish language week. So we're going to throw in some Irish for you, and then all the songs are going to be in Irish language. So it's pretty. If you don't like the Irish language, it's time to go. Anyhow, it really is an honour, and we've lovely guests who coming along. But I've always loved the songs in Irish. The melodies are really all gorgeous, and the words, there's a special poetry in the sound of the words as well as the meaning of the words in Irish. So I've been tied up with the whole thing ever since I was a child, really, because I'm from Derry City in the north of Ireland, and all the children were put in for the feis there, or the feis as we call it in Derry. And this was, from our point of view, it was mostly singing choirs and solos and duets, but there was also dancing. We didn't participate in the dancing ourselves, and so that was where I learned my first songs. Actually, beyond Shinnaflug out of Shaft, I had to plug that in too. So the first songs I sang in Irish, I heard a few songs at home from my mother and my aunt, little bits of songs. But then we would learn. I would do songs in the feis solo, the boys solo, 120 little boys all sing. But I was really lucky that the first few songs that I did were really nice songs, that had been given. My mother pointed out that we were lucky, So this is a song that I hardly ever sing, but this was the song I sang in my second feis at the age of 7 or something. And it's called Croch Malonda Bui, and it's about this man who went out with his wife, and he met a grogach, and a grogach literally means a hairy man, but it's some sort of otherworld creature. And he says, the first thing he says is that your daughter? Of course, that was not the right thing to say. He was obviously, his wife was a bit younger than him. And then the grogach wanted to put his bargain. He had no choice but to enter into a bargain with the grogach that the grogach would go one way and he would go the other way, and whoever the wife followed could keep her. And he couldn't do anything about this here. So that's what the song's about, and she went off with the grogach. But she came back. So I did this song. So I was using the opportunity of some of these songs to walk down memory lane. And I did this song with Scarra Brain, this old group of mine, very briefly. And we, Michael in the band, had bought a 5-string banjo, and he used the 5-string banjo. I couldn't make anything of it. So we did this song, and he played a set dance called the 3 Sea Captains. So since I don't have a 5-string banjo player here, I'm going to lilt the 3 Sea Captains, and I'm going to sing this wee song. So if you know any of these songs or any of these tunes, sing along. Dee-dai-dum, dee-dum, da-dee-dum, dee-dai-dee-dee-dum, da-dee-dum, dee-dai-dum, da-dee-dee-dum, da, dee-dai-dee-dee-dum, da-dum, dai-dee-dee-dum, dai-dee-da-dee, dai-dee-dee-dum, dai-dee-dum, dee-dai-dum, da-dee-dee-dum, da, dee-dee-dum, da-dum, Bhí misis na bhan bag lagal an bóthar solo grab o brí. Gus ce chasí dúin a grogach an ná, bhí cuach mal an do bhí. G for shadows are nindo and nog van sorrow glam op nie. Gestoord my lesh garabi my van vast die klap my lande gween. Go hussin and molly gus mission and monche sorrow glam op nie. Gus kebi farjan the shebi chiga joy get klap my lande gween. Boy session and molly gus mission and monche sorrow glam op nie. Gus lian she and grova na begge vi en oi get klap my lande gween. Dee-dai dum dai dum dee dai dum dai dee dum dee dai dum da dee dai dum da dee dai dee dai dum dee dum ah dee dum dai dee dum dee dai dee dum dai dum dee da dee da dee dum dee dai dum da dum da. We mission a while ago, boy, a cratchit, solo glam of me. Cause Lee, my leaves and my yappy tree, right, you clum along the wee. Then she and we, and Yablin's tree, right, you solo glam of me. Cause Jen, she no while them a while, we can mad a clum along the wee. Quack and you. Skogen waar de sorrow glam op nie. Gus koa vakken vakken lag ik kan rij je kwam along de wee. Dee da dum dum da dum dee dum dai dee dai dee dum dee da dee da dee dai dum dum dee dai da dee dum. You. The title of the song is Cuckoo My Yellow Blackbird, which has given rise to a lot of speculation and discussion. What can that mean? I don't have an answer for you. There might even be a book about it. There's definitely I read a hefty article about it one time. Anyhow, so so in the spirit of, I thought, you know, I love all these songs. I have a lot of songs in Irish, so I thought I'll try and grab some sort of little pattern to get me going. So that was almost the first, you know, one of the first songs I sang in Irish on stage. And this song here is a song I learned in Ranafast. Bethau Yumsa Ran the Farsche. And Sauru on Vlian Mila Nigia Chaska a Kahar Kuchi Shaskani Jerin. Agus bhí an táhairn bhí begrailinn stapo ag seanachí an sin miccheanní duine den na seanathe is clúití agus ceamdan na seanathe dearnathe a bhí thart ag an am agus bhain me tarbh aontach a sin agus tólam a go dhór áran in sin fásta. So when I was a teenager, I was lucky enough to go to Ranafast in the West of Donegal. And you know, for maybe one of these courses where you stay in people's houses and you aren't allowed to speak any English, it was very, very, very strict. If you heard saying one sentence, you were sent home in disgrace. And that was very, very tough, particularly the first year, and depressing for a little introvert like myself, away from home for the first time. But anyhow, I ended up, of course, really enjoying it, and I learned lots of wonderful songs there, and you know, it reinforced my love of the language. So this one is called Chucky and Sauru, Summer Will Come, and it's a song that is the first song that I sang in Ranafast. You know, they would have little concerts, and I learned the song, and I love this song. So I'll give it a whirl, and it's very beautiful poetry, and it's one of these rare songs where you could translate every word, and it isn't big long verses. So the idea is summer will come and the grass will grow and the leaves will come on the trees. My darling will come at the dawning of the day, and I will play up a tune in sadness when she has gone away. because actually what happens in the second verse is he goes and he knocks on her door, and he's told that she has gone off with the brown-haired boy, that darn brown-haired boy. And the last verse, it's my sorrow on the sea, for it is wide, it is going between me and my loved one. Devil a woman will I marry till I go under the sod. Now, I don't know if he married somebody after he went under the sod. That's the words. Is the guitar on?
Woo!
Yeah. Oh, Chucky and sorrow of a Swazian fair. August Chucky and Del your glass one of Chucky Maroon Shark Agus bwling si June swas le gwael na Scarch mer and that is how a scarch mer ishen ro marron fire shadur shadadi dum Nagoshion Nagarelli she lash and Wahadon Mavroner and Nadige Morshitamor Shita Galter av Shul men a balche shav shul he mean ach yaun ban a fosses me na bechem fino oro Chucky and sorrow agus Swazian fair agus Chucky and Del your glass warna brel Chucky maroon shark led wando and lay agus bwling si June swas le gwael na So I was saying there that there was a lovely talk about the history of Gaelic last night, and it intersected with my life in various different ways over the years. And one of them was these recordings. You know, Gaelic did an awful lot of interesting projects in various different realms. But probably the one that affected me most was the music. And about 1964 or 65, when I was 14 or 15, I got an album. I was given an album as a little prize at school, and it was a recording of Seamus Ennis. So anybody who's seen me doing a gig of any length will hear me talking about this album, because sometimes an album just has a huge effect on your life. And this was this famous piper and folklorist, folk song collector called Seamus Ennis, just a giant in our culture. And the funny thing was, I'd never heard of Seamus Ennis at this point. Now, I wasn't Derry, and I was interested in Irish, but I'd never heard of him. And so I got the album. I was very intrigued, and also he was singing and he was telling stories in beautiful Irish, and he was playing the whistle, but he was also playing the Uilleann pipes, and I'd never heard the Uilleann pipes before either. So this was like opening several amazing worlds to me, and I think I learned every song on this album. So one of the songs I learned is this fantastic love song called Bandu Agana. And, I frittered away at it for decades trying to find some way to sing it in a way that made sense in terms of the guitar, because usually I play the guitar. And then eventually I got a kind of a groove on it. But it's one of the greatest Irish melodies. So he's in love with the dark woman of the valley, and he's appealing to her. He's trying to sell himself to her, as it were, as a... first he praises her and how amazing she is, and all the princes and lords are coming looking for her in marriage. And then it's almost as if he wants to restore the balance, and he praises himself then. He says, a lot of princesses and amazing people want to marry me as well, I'm a great catch. So this is Bandu Agana. Agus tam shall in the jail. Och I shall no share cheer and the sky shall again. Oh, watching from the end, no other help from head and moon and some match can be. Skällen de hules när tjåre mässar i elna gård janse for närmors var gonna be bandu on land of Friday. En y no den yer la ta gachendo ajiha egiri me alle posu esta wine chain around the frap jassen down Parabibando ongrando vardo well, this is another one, a bit like that Summer Will Come song that I learned in Ranafast. And we learned two different melodies to this song in the classes there. One of them was very jolly and one of them was very sad. And so the different melodies make the song a completely different song, even though it's the same word. And one of the poem, the song poem was written by a famous poet called Raftery, the poet Raftery, and so his name comes into the song. And when I started playing the guitar, I started playing the guitar in Ranafast in that same place I'm talking about, in the house of this great Shanachie, where we used to stay every summer. And my friend Jim McCluskey had a guitar, so that's where I started playing. But when I started putting chords to songs, my father couldn't really understand the guitar. His people had been fiddlers, and I think his ears just didn't know what was happening. You know, like, why isn't he playing a tune? You know, he's doing stuff, but what's he doing? But anyhow, when I started playing the guitar, I arranged two songs. And till the day he died, these were the two songs that he liked to hear, the first two songs that he heard that I sang with the guitar. What I'll do is I'll sing you a little bit of these two different melodies for Myra and Yain. And it's just a love song. In fact, it's not an unhappy love song. Things seem to have worked out fine. But with the slow melody, you think it's going to be a disaster. And Raftery wrote the words to a very, very famous poem, Anna Coon, about a disaster where people drowned in a boat, and so sad melody is more appropriate to that one. Anyhow, here we go. So I'll sing a wee bit of the sad melody, and then I'll play a wee bit of the jolly melody to cheer you all up. Magal hikana fran na tal magraste vi in la karbwashi the star bigi Casu ananyer nyom nativ kyo tarden gas hitch me life rafangami Dolor meri he the moin shaman Starir a kariat chat lager sheen Shadow chiraftri Taminchen sasti Goskuch kalayam kopali li Magal higgin afran na tal na graste Di en lapper washi gestar di Casu an anyer yom tief yom tarten Gus hedge me shall I plagum ramari Dolor mani gumoin shamwala Starir a kayat shad lagershi Shedur chi raftri tamin Shan sasti gus gloish galadam go Your man assassins and rank le chélan splain and Cragus a rash a rish of roadblock rain go bail na chéra see at me failing your be my da main she post them blan hoige tree lock and torik dalyan hinny Quantius costi the hole in your sky tree and ye and chime tam what Indian stage van dessa by het champagne agus smail agree la het clear as a girl here gus tree in the trace ready to schreeuw well she did the brats venus stand up in hell and there's so and three ask up and in a soft elevation and cause a gilly out come what my Baltic from the Talna rest of in like her washi, Gastardi we Castle and your lumpy if you'll tartan, Gus hedge, Michelle Trap and Gralamary, Dolor Mania, Dolmoin, Chamwana, Starera, Kaya, Shadragershi, Shedurchi, Raftri, Taminch, Sasti. Slush come man go So we don't want things to get too jolly. So I had all these different things that songs I was thinking of, but. So I'll sing a song now. What happened to me with the guitar, and I've told all my friends have heard me say this here, was that when I started playing the guitar, I discovered I had a friend in school, a teenage friend when I was 17, who was this amazing guitarist who had invented a guitar style of his own, sitting in the house, and had an amazing repertoire of gorgeous, gorgeous songs, great classic songs in Irish and English. And I, as soon as somebody said, this guy, his name was John Healy, or Sean O'Healy. You've got to go up to Healy's house, and he's an amazing guitarist. And I'd known him for years. I didn't know he played the guitar. So he one of these people who influenced your life forever. And I tried to, as with all people who inspire you, you try to catch what they're doing, and you sort of fail, but this becomes part of your style, So this is what, and sadly I just heard a few months ago that he passed away. So anyhow, this is one of the first songs that I heard him singing, and it's a beautiful love song. Again, sad love song, separated from the true love. And the man is sitting, stoking the fire, and the embers all night, and everybody else in the house is asleep, and all he can think of is his girlfriend who's far away. And this one of the verses says that learned people say that love is this terrible ailment, and when it goes into your heart, there's no cure for it. And then he meets a fairy woman on the road and asks her, is there any cure? And she says, no, that guy was right, there's no cure. So it's called Tama Maheen. Mary a glist and silmorn and had one of me the veil down one east of the way. The whole bottom day fashlig mensches is the way. The quiet the near it's a carriage McLean and the shame to their may of the stone. Jaden McLean Gurkley Chaffin Paradime Kachan Shema Christi Ake Jrohir Farir Mar Hachen Mei Farsha Aring Agus Kid God gives each flower of Casu Banshee do his eggs the schiefer Madriche and school shall be Basisho Amria Fersen the sound nor the head chef and free has built her a So the plan is we're going to have there's going to be two halves in tonight's concert. So I'm going to sing one more song, and then I'm going to ask one of our guests to do some stuff, sing some songs, and I'll plunk along when I can. And this is song. So this is a Skara Brae song. This, for those of you who don't know, I was involved with this group in my late teens and early 20s called Skara Brae. And there were three siblings, were the other members of the group, Michael O'Donnell, Trina and Myra Nicono. And we did an album for Gaydon, this record label I mentioned, and company. And that was all songs in Irish. Even though we had a large repertoire of songs in English too, but Gaydon was an Irish language company, so that was the album that we did. And their father was a native Irish speaker from Donegal, from that same place where I told you I went. So it was all in fate. It was fated to be. And there was a nice mixture of songs on the album, but one of the songs, for some reason, people enjoyed it more than the others, maybe slightly. But anyhow, it's called Kylie and Rua, and it's a little jolly song about a jolly song about a man who had a great problem with a woman, as usual, but he was jolly about it. So he sent her off to the market with some money, and she went off with a boy, of course. Even he was a brown-haired boy again. the brown-haired, but just watch out for these brown-haired boys. They're not as noticeable, you see. The blonde-haired boys, they're kind of flashy, you know, and the red-haired kind of boys, they're characters. Just, you know, watch out for the brown-haired boys. And girls, too, by the way. So I know some people will know the chorus or some of the words to this song, so if you do, sing along. Nachtali du samachani no wahu ni hewan mar vishi roa vishi marga krenya gollenye dan lanis fiske vrana finyan machani roa hop me yummi awan gabwane o yafti deres gabwan doin and Lerhjul med a falchen nacht op med a lemme de machalin rua Chor me machalin gom marhuligi Deschen henen maradu vidir Vishkening agus ponter an fekken binyen nagadam beshen laf when you the machalin rua Hop me yommi awan le gobwane O yafti deres gabalen doin Hanel viler sjol med a falschen nato med a lemne de machalin rua Wishi shier is vraga brakasi Rebini glaswan a chanter a groig Jelishi boam shelle boa bel shobe sari nar yasi machalin rua Homme yommi wale go wale O yafti eres gabalen don Annel viler hjol med a falchen Nat op med a lemne de machalin rua Bardom Mina bos na para Na wal dal neshe tarin chen koin Bar na marish na kis kun man yegamen Yes machalin na malden doin Hol me lommi o malden go wale O yafti deres gabalden doin Hanel en viler jol med a falchen nacht op med a lemne machalin rua Yn special o gymanacht agus an hiad dynne na aria von Ediscudi agus fi aria yn sysgodyn siosi am y jan ystadio'r awran agus ar y Gaelig Foster ffawn ymlaenta agus bwysig gyherin pobl o'r Foster the corsi i enw diaconol ystadio'r ar y Gaelig so ys môr yn gwrando cryd dwys i fe y chatra yn adran gymanacht Aria, who's going to come up now, was involved with Centre for Irish Music here in the Spalding for many, many years. And she studied Irish language and songs with me. And we had a wonderful time. When she first came, she came with her three brothers. And in fact, the very first lesson that we had was in the room that's behind that curtain, the secret room. And this was about 2011, and I was asked would I teach this group of children, as they were then, and who played fiddles and guitars, and I said, well, I'll have a go. And they were wonderful and very talented, and it's great that Aria has continued her devotion to Irish song, and she's a wonderful singer and a wonderful person. So Aria!
Tá mé ansásta a bhéin seánach. Se áran a dólam mé ó gaithí. Tá brí an áran seo har a bhéh simú. Hello everybody. I'm so happy to be here tonight. This song Dahi and I are first going to sing is, it has an interesting meaning. A lot of people are unsure what it means. In the chorus it says, "She is your granny, she is your granny," and it's quite confusing when you go through the whole thing. But it is well loved and it's a beautiful melody, so here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Shido amoi, shido amoi, shido amoi, kalach amarikir. Shido amoi, avalin shvori, iskari shikashi hawara kusharikir. Again, sing good shehoni ling sarahi good chimple shirin nakyarini. Hayit shin shuni nurara kushi hanyi shishun lakala kamaskish. Shilo amoy, shilo amoy, shilo amoy, kala kamaskish. Shilo amoy, awar mishvod iskashi kashi awar kusharikir. Masın da bolsa, başıma varacak. Tasımla bolsa, taşıra ol, kesadeşin herkes. Şilo amoy, kalmakın herkes. Şilo amoy, yavarmış var, iskanşi karşı yavar, kaşarkes. Şkerişke bolsa, başıma varacak. Şkerişke bolsa, şanemiz var, İsmail'ni kahvesi. Şilo amoy, kaymaktan ergeç. Şilo amoy, yavarmış var, İskarışık karşıya var, kaşargeç. Shilo amoy, kalmaktan ergeç. Shilo amoy, yavarmış var, İskarışık karşıya var, kaşargeç. Dayliram, dayliram, dayliram, Bráidam a bheith an chead áireann eile seán. Tá sé faoi dhear a hitsin an rá is éireann ní nó sin céithí. I love this next song that I'm going to sing. It's about a man who sees a woman in the countryside and he falls absolutely in love with her. But he says he won't tell her name for all of Ireland. Like if someone were to give him all of Ireland, he would never tell anyone her name. And so it's called Is éireann ní nó sin céithí. Is meitrenú an leon dífal den seorin na mian Dá herní an sverban chór Dá doimenach broid sé lásin Elis the main is the cloud the bell Tani björn millishvin Ta levis vi indalin hår I sereren min osin So the next song I also learned from Dahi. Pretty much all the songs I know in Irish and a lot of English Irish ones are from Dahi. And this is a song about a little lullaby, and it's about a little boat. And like Dahi said, my siblings and I started taking from Dahi when we were pretty young. So young that one of my brothers, he had his legs hanging off his chair. He was so short. And we'd always come home from our lessons laughing in the car, and my mom would always be like, "You guys are always so happy after you're with Daddy." So we took from him for a number of years, and then I continued to take language lessons with him and just to continue to learn the songs. And Dahi was first a teacher, but then he became a dear friend and a mentor. And yeah, his friendship means a lot to me, so much, and I'm really thankful to be here tonight and to play with him and Hannah, and yeah, it's just a joy. So. This one is called Oro Mawaji.
Rachine Schultages Rachine Shir Oro Macharino Iskahichelon Mi Hakine Anir Oro Movajin Oro Macharino Húfarí ag gomrú seir agus sír sa saoirú na mhíú ar an cócléir óróm ó bhaidín óróm ó chruichínó óróm ó bhaidín óróm ó chruichínó
I'll just do one more little song and then we can have a break and go on. Stretch your legs, have a drink. There's nothing much to be said about it. It's another of those little love songs. But this one I got out of a book called Ceathaíocht the Ceolta Olu, this wonderful collection, 200 songs from the province of Ulster that a friend of mine had, another teenage friend had this book. And it had belonged to his father and it was out of print for years, and obviously I think he loved the book, but he was also hoping that it would be very, very valuable in years to come. And maybe it is, but they reprinted the book then later, which I think might have slightly affected the value of it. But anyhow, it's called Cúiltiú in the B&B. Istruai nach bhfuil me go cúiltiú na B&B ag an síomhain éabhainn maidin mo phrád scannéinear an éireann a chunú mo scialsa na roiid leis má gailbhéir bín réid mar a tam. Ír bos bréithe arú na bhéada caplir na cuirí cégur da líú a a féchan se scíbe a churla sa héadan síon cúil caspa cruáta do méí Húlan sa bhaí déirdú an rád a dí slíon ceá is sa dardaí an bhuain Thart fa chónaí sí scéal na hóige da bhí brón mé Dáhain a póg on na críomhbhéal rás sí déir de bhóirí sa grí tam breiste brúte creite leonta das bhí tránach a tam bhaidí. Nach bhfuil me gus cúiltiú na B&B ag an síomhain Jean Walker, Scandinavia, Nearing Achonhu, Shkielsa, that Wild Schmackil, they a Bainbridge, Manhattan. Ien mos regehet aruna meda kapena puri keger dalila a fiachin shishkima a harna sahedin she and ko cast the one out the muddy grass. Amazing. So we'll have a couple of times on the show, and then we'll be back with Helen Jazz and also Barry as well. So amazing. Jazz in the Mahan Kharja Echo, so not. It's lovely to see so many old friends in the audience tonight. And some of them may even have stayed for the second half. Tuners doing two things, but fortunately I'm a belt and braces person. I have my other tuner up here. So I'm going to sing a few songs and then we're going to have another wonderful guest on. This is, all these songs are songs that I've known since my teens or 20s, and obviously I love them all. And this is a song in praise of St. Bridget, and most of these I learned in Belfast, but St. Bridget, of course, is one of the main saints in Ireland, and she inherited the name of Bridget, and her lore really derives further back from the pre-Christian times. And obviously she was a great goddess. She was actually a trinity of goddesses in the pre-Christian era. Oh, hang on a second. I didn't plug in the other. Maybe I picked up that by tuner or work. No, it's not those. Anyhow, this technological complexity. But anyhow, she's a very beloved character in the folklore and in the culture ever since. So this is a little song that I learned, and the style of the words is very reminiscent of old Irish poetry, and let us give praise to Bridget. She is beloved to Ireland. She is beloved to all countries. We will all praise her. The bright lantern of the Leinster people, that's the eastern province in Ireland, shining throughout the country. The head, or the greatest of all the women of Ireland, and the greatest of women for gentleness. And then the last verse, as soon as I settled in Minnesota, I think of it as a sort of Minnesota song too, because it's the dark, severe winter comes, cutting with its sharpness. But now that's the part that fits Minnesota. But the part that doesn't fit Minnesota is, but on St. Bridget's Day, the spring of Ireland is near us. Because her feast is the 1st of February, and of course here we are in April, and it's still winter, so... Anyhow, but it turns out the song was actually, it's written to an old Gregorian chant melody that could be as old as the 7th, 8th, 9th century. But the words were written at the end of the 1800s. and knowing the hearing, and knowing the cheering, marvelous believing, Lachran gal na fanya, salshu faun na chira, John ero evidan, John man Shaken Gabru Jean Thu Garulen Yera Abrije Cardunya The song was so short that I stuck that little instrumental onto the start of it. That's the reason you were wondering, what's he doing? When's he going to start singing? There's another song that was a great favourite in Ranafast. It's called Shua Yever, and I always think of it as a kind of a bitter disagreement between two people. The dialogue goes to and fro. And he says he won't take her unless she has a big dowry, and she says, "Oh, forget it. I don't want nothing to do with you." So it's kind of, I think of it as a kind of Bob Dylan, a traditional Irish Bob Dylan bitter song. Cheermer majin na tarin shanne war. Ayel se janat Mariam Oiron. Wel tartel valmes hi mishashia sagal. Slashu ani bergerol mishashua. Ahyu ani ber mishagat medachin. Ronchegas muchevesh kilo agodhim. Ronchegas muchevesh kilo agodhim. Akyabdelen yares kadash yelon king. Ahyu ani evers tu bonagas warmashkiel. Vren krenje dat ook shishin wali. Leg jelle vinger maasjes evadinske. Nach mission through it a scarrow wali. Yerin yeris ta sharka geskrem London in a dead cheek of force away. There's yellow I'm hickey my hope we shall all God though in the cheju that got a chip all There's yellow I'm hickey the jet from that awesome man Oh, holla me shagger carshel a ball of Noor nach willagam some wina morn stray Be wari a band I guess they me share before the aim To do that with a three-piece some drums. I've talked a lot about Ranafast tonight, so it's only appropriate. There's a family in Ranafast called McLeana, and going back hundreds of years, there were poets and songwriters and brilliant people, masters of language and lore. And so at the time I was there, there was this family of brothers, all great writers. And the man who was around when I was there in the 60s, called Shamboan McLeana, he himself wrote wonderful songs. But anyhow, one day, in the class he sang a song and I just thought this is the most gorgeous melody and I only heard it once that day. I didn't catch what the song was or anything. And it was one of these, you hear about people being able to hear a song once and not only remembering the melody but remember all the words, in the tradition years ago. Well, I can't do any of that. But I just had a half mental imprint of what the melody sounded like, but I couldn't remember the melody. So eventually, anyway, I heard somebody singing this song, and I realised that's the song that he sang. And it's a wonderful, you'd see it in books as a poem, a song poem called Odrachain Vikancha, and it's one of the most amazing, maybe perfect examples of Irish poetry and assonance and metrics and the richness of the language beyond the meaning of the words and beyond the melody. And I often put it up on the board and show people what's going on in classes. But the idea is he's trying to lure this young woman up with him in the middle of the night to this cave up on this magic hill. And he's going to have a feast for her laid out and the whole thing. And everybody's asleep. It's going to be fantastic in this cave. As soon as you say the word cave in English, it doesn't sound too honest. But a lot of these things sound a lot more romantic and Irish. So this is written by Padre O'Donnell. A flor na muechan so de que au criou escape on the plain a hul na barely a drone the hatchet of this fearless fletcher Abruch margin etus cafleyer abuch sin shemo gruaigen me stu yurin hin gan sŵan gan iel Dyd y chws a ieges alie Sgartw Marian y gwgeren Pwys na sien master Da siwl hareld gan smwj nam hyn Bas lwg a sir ar slaintje Jo a blwg ysmedd Bas brws a pref yn sydwn sy'n A hwrg fan chef na go a chant perla Glwys liom hyn gwalbag Noes y fes lwys yn sgrir Esbwadi iel yn y sŵan Wad wuharin Hak nu achrokrin Wada Gan gutsin An nu Nesera En sanusin Kin Bekantje Tan missed and chog at Tamagoni Atro Kaje Tamagoni Anu. The trouble with these things when you're sitting up with yourself, you're chopping and changing what you're going to do. You look at the list and think, But I think I'll do one more. I'll do one more song, and then I'll have Hannah Flowers, the wonderful Hannah Flowers, up to sing to you. And all I have got to do now is decide which key I'm going to sing this song. All right, we'll do it in slightly. So this is another old Skara Braes song. This was actually written by their father, Hudi Vicky Hudi O'Donnell, in English, and it's a beautiful lullaby and just visions of childhood and the daddy carrying the children around on his shoulders and one under the arm and so on, and the dogs playing among the sheep and all this stuff. It's really, really gorgeous, and I know a lot of people here know it. So I hope you'll sing along and prompt me if I get stuck in the words and sing the chorus and so on. Colchier ballen wellendo damas the moa berger mo one of a Isha ballen Isha ballen and babi Jainors the youngest catchers of Yawan rockin' the siwd ysdiach madw, ga siwd yma clir, siwd ma di'n wael rw ffrid mohod clir. Isha babalu, Isha babalu, Isha babalu, tan babis Chum mine is chum mine irovid, Fleach prati bada, gas fleach prati moda, Isha babalu, Isha babalu, Isha babalu, tan babis Isha babalu, Isha babalu, Isha babalu, tan babis One more time. Isha babalu, Isha babalu, Isha babalu, tan babis Of course, Hannah and Aria could have sung along with me on a lot of these songs. But anyhow, not if you know Hannah Flowers, wonderful singer and fantastic singer, fantastic harpist. And she's like Aria and like myself, she's devoted to the songs in Irish as well as all the traditional songs. So give her a big welcome.
Tá achas orm a bheith ceanú agus ag sinnim na dathí agus aria nacht, and yeah, it's just very special. I'm going to sing and play a song for you. This is very well known and well loved song. Yeah, so this is Buchel an Airnia, and it's a beautiful love song in the Irish language, and I always think it's kind of not that happy of a song, because the guy is basically boasting to the girl about all his wonderful qualities, and right, yeah,
It's funny, right?
yeah, and
Because he is going to be shot down, he might as well have a moment.
yeah, she turns it
Maybe tis him
around.
before his heart is destroyed.
Yeah, and I think he kind of deserves it. I mean, you can't help but like cheer her on and be like, yeah, dump him. So, yeah, but it's such a sweet song, you'd never guess it until you listen to the words. So, this is Buchel an Airnia. Get settled here, right? There we go. All right. Gan next I'm going to sing a lovely version of a song called Roisin Dhu. And, well, first I gotta have a drink of water before I try it. And as you may have noticed, I traded up to the guitar for you folks instead of the guitar. Alright, that was a flat joke.
She didn't have enough strings on it.
I didn't feel like...
It wasn't challenging enough.
Yeah, it didn't really fit in. Alright, Tá fón, níomhneach, leis an lagan seo den áran a dulum. A dulum mé ó cearnan de chud mard níghónal. I guess it's a bit different version than the normal Roisin Dhu that you might be familiar with if you sing Irish songs or have an interest in it at all. And it comes from the singing of Mairead Ní Dhomhnaill. So, give it a go here. Oh, so
Kirulihijin Gaaneni Isnive Gojo Queen Goldom to Slamle Kegon Suru Smariga Grenia Wani Neve Vimoroshi
I'm so grateful that all of you are still awake, except for maybe my dad, who always fell asleep at all my harp concerts as a child, and he might still to this day. But anyways, I'm just so happy to be here today. You have no idea. I'm just so thrilled. Thank you, Daddy, for asking me and Aria to play with you. It's just
Pleasure's all mine.
And no, I was just thinking earlier, the first half of the concert, Dahi was talking about his friend Healy, that just meant so much to him as a young person, and how he influenced the trajectory of your life and your musicality and your singing and your Irish. And I just kept thinking, oh gosh, I feel that way about Dahi. From the bottom of my heart, I'm just very proud to call Dahi my teacher and my mentor and my friend. And it's so special. He's just influenced the trajectory of my life and my musical playing interests. And I wouldn't be here without Dahi. Now I'm gonna cry.
Okay.
Can't let Dahi get away without crying tonight. Anyways, so we're glad you're all here. It's very special to spend this evening with you and to share it with us. So we're gonna sing one more song. What is that song? It's a great question. Himahain, yes. We're gonna sing a lovely song called Himahain. And I hope you enjoy it. We're gonna wake you up a little bit, hopefully.
Okay. You ready? Set on your marks.
Get ready here.
Oops, trying to get.
Himahain lidurer Gromi slansar vagodu Shin shishis la kobi kreo Chigramo kriagas manamidi Vimenes mohionatil Smalar failing tasnergi Of the bottom lay A troi moshkil Malibu crater hono Melody Shapon is Fangulon, she wanna make bones now by Shon. Some possibly you may take who can go get a highway. I'm all over my house to crew, she did in your behind. Sarah didn't got you, but true emotion, and he won't quit from her room. After me, she'll hear something of her lure inside she don't know. They who shall be for us cold fear, so when she ain't carrying on. I'm all up there, my boss to crew, she'll be kept in your behind. Sorry, not you, but true emotion, sky trip here. Shatner kvinna hushis Sakuni senagera Zayanushki Shemolaki Zverin kingdom Ashterdor Zakuri Shenisachli Trencha Una Marinshe Karuti Shahimati Chinatan Irana In the Midure Karomish Landstar She's the holy cream, she got a cream of the smell of me. I'm the days, my hill and there, well, I'm my day, just like I wanna lay between my skin and my little thing there when I walk.
So, I think we're going to ask Aria to come up again and sing a song. Okay. Now, I couldn't actually hear people singing along too well on a few of the songs, but I know some people were. I was assured that people were. But I'm certain a lot of people know this song. So we thought we would finish with this one, so there'll be a deafening chorus of people singing on this one. You might want to insert your earplugs. So this is Oroshi de Bahawala. Everybody knows Oroshi. So, you know, Buenan Buihis Hort, the Winter and Jerushaftinia, Shopper Conro Hortu, and Conum Kjol Shah, Harla Hela, August. And Tamara Hortu, Vair and Arden, the Hannah, Agus Aria. I'd like to thank the Irish language people again for asking me to put together this concert and giving me an opportunity to sing a lot of lovely songs that I've been attached to all my life, and to get the opportunity to be on stage with Hannah and Aria. So, thank you all for coming. Okay, where should I hold?
Oh,
another one. Almost ready. So this is a song that is actually fairly well known now in Tron Cities, Muldo Gamma. I know a lot of people know that words and the chorus. So this is actually a jolly version of one of the big droopy songs I sung earlier. And I heard this from a guy called Frank Hogan, who was around Dublin in the sessions in the 70s, and he had heard it on the Sarah and Rita Kane album, a classic unaccompanied singing album. So Mulder Gamma. And yes, here we go. Både mer ljuses fatten in the jay, och här med himlen åker, när sjål och kär skjärn ska fästa till igen, naga för din skihåntradona.
Om du länder skimå, du jag. All the stegen all rosy is the wine chain around the brow of the Jackson down. She molded down the barrow. You and Shaban so long is true by the night. No man or real shore. Ach, ni
Down.